Every day is so wonderful, and suddenly I start to breathe. Now and then I get insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring me down. So don't you bring me down today. To all your fans, you're delirious, so consumed in all you're doing. Trying hard to feel the emptiness, the peace is gone. Left the puzzle undone. That's the way it is. I am beautiful no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. No, no. You are beautiful in every